position and wait for my go.
Okay, students, welcome to tutorial week 3. Previously in week 2 where you already created the images for your website. So now we're going to create the coding HTML page combined with CSS for your to make the website real. Okay, so the actual website. Okay, so I suggested you guys to go through in preparing the images for the website tutorial on previous version, and then once you already have prepared all the images for your website, okay, only then you can input the size for your the images for your website in HTML and CSS. Okay, so assume you guys already prepared your images. Okay, so anyway, if not, you can download the prepared images in the image at the bottom. Okay, so once you already downloaded the images, right, so in week 3 folder, okay, I want you guys to put all the images over here. Okay, so this is all the images that we're going to use in our website. Okay, so for today we're just going to create the header. Okay, remember the template that you guys have done, the top part where we have a logo, navigation, and a background. Okay, so we're going to create that only for today, so at least you guys were able to understand how designing a web page works. Okay, so I want you guys to open your Adobe Illustrator. Alright, sorry, Adobe Dreamweaver. Okay, and then click on File, New. Okay, select HTML5 and then click Create. Okay, so this thing you guys have done previously. Okay, so before we do anything else, please make sure you guys save your file, save as, and then I want you guys to save in the week 3 folder. Alright, and name index. Okay, alright, so in the index folder, in the index file, and then it is the same file with image. Okay, so if you look, okay, so your index is here, your image is here. Okay, so once you already done this, only then you can able to make your web. Okay, so once you already open your index HTML, okay, so the title is what is going to be appeared on the browser tab. So maybe you want to name this title as a food founders, something like that. Okay, so it's up to you. So it will appear on the tab of your browser. Okay, so the way that you want to design web page is by using a div tag. Okay, a div tag is like a box, okay, where you try to arrange your design and arrange according to this box. Okay, so your arrangement, your colors, you have to think about, okay, where I'm going to place this box, how wide it is, how tall it is, and then what are the color of the boxes, what you want to put inside that box. Okay, so think about the boxes, think about the div tag as a boxes, and then what you want to design the box with. Okay, so I will provide a diagram to explain to you guys, okay, about the header sizes and then what does contained in the header. Okay, so basically we are going to design using a div tag. Okay, so if you look into your template over here, okay, so we're going to create this the part over here, alright, where it contains a logo, a bar, okay, a graphic bar with navigations, some titles, backgrounds, and buttons. Okay, so we're going to concentrate on this one first. Okay, so basic building block for the website design is the same. So now we're going to create the first one. Okay, so we're going to use a div tag. Okay, so that is a box for us. Okay, click on div tag. Okay, if you cannot find it, it will be over here under commands. It will be on div tag. Okay, so you have to give a unique name towards the div tag. So the first sections over here, the first section, so we're going to name it as header. Okay, so the big one, we're going to call it header. Right, and then click OK. Okay, and then delete these pre-holder tags that I don't want. Okay, so header is the biggest box at the top of your website. Okay, see, it created a box over there. Okay, so inside this box you will have a several other smaller boxes like this. Okay, smaller ones, boxes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so all of this is a box. Okay, so inside the box we can call it a next, and the next one would be the black bar over here. Okay, black bar, we can call it as a call header underscore bar. Okay, header underscore bar. Alright, so within that bar, so I'm just going to arrange my boxes like this as it comes in pairs. 1, 2. Okay, so header bar. So inside the bar I have a logo and I have the navigation. Okay, so the bar is the long black area for here. So inside here there will be another div called header navigation. Okay, header navigation. Okay, so inside the header navigation, so I'm just started to develop my box. Okay, so from the biggest box, smaller boxes, and smaller boxes. So that's what we want to do, to think the website design as a box. It's just matter of composition of box. Okay, so header navigation, there will be another 2 more elements, which is the logo and the nav. So I'm going to put over here a header logo underscore logo. Okay, alright, so in the logo, okay, so since we know that there is a design element inside the header logo, which is the logo itself. Okay, so you click in the middle of here, click on images. Okay, in the image folder, the one that you have created just now, where you all prepared the images, click on logo. Okay, alternate text, maybe you want to name it lambda. Okay, this one leave it empty. Click OK. So there you have it, your logo is placed. Okay, of course we didn't see it because the logo is white, the background is white. Okay, so what we know is that this is the logo. Okay, so enter down here. Okay, we are still in the header navigation. Okay, so underneath the div class header logo, header navigation, still inside the header navigation. So we're going to insert a div tag called a header underscore nav, stands for navigation. Okay, so delete this one. I'm going to give enter. So see how I structured my code, so that I know that everything is in a proper organization. Okay, so inside here you will have a home, recipe 1, recipe 2, recipe 3, the team and contact us, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 links. Okay, so links in HTML are done by using hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink. So this is what appeared on the text, is called home, and then you can link this one to index.html. Okay, that means this is what are the file name of your links. Okay, click OK. Okay, so home is one navigation. Okay, and we can create the other link, which is recipe 1. Okay, recipe 1. Okay, so maybe the file name for this, so this is a dummy link first. Okay, so you may change this one to the actual file name in the future, recipe1.html, clicks and so on. Okay, so basically you just repeating the same process until you able to input all the navigation over there. Okay, so repeat the process and make sure you have all the navigation. Okay, so you already input all the links all together over here. Okay, so we have a basic elements of the content, which is the logo. Okay, which is over here. I'm just going to give a space so I can identify easily the logo, and then the navigation. Okay, so once you already have this element, only now we can start it to create some designs using CSS and add more things onto our designs. Okay, so to work on the CSS, we must first create the CSS file. Okay, so CSS file, the way that you want to create CSS file. Okay, so simply just click over here. Okay, click on CSS style, click over here, there's a small button over here, click new. Okay, since choose a text body and then choose a new style sheet. Okay, new style sheet, click OK, and this one will appear. Make sure it is inside the week 3 folder that you guys have created, and then you should name this one style. Okay, click save. Okay, so the properties that we're going to set over here is for body. Okay, so click on boxes. So first of all, we have to reset our designs first from any standards that was set by the browser. You notice over here there is a lines that we don't need, so set on padding 0 and margin 0. Click apply, the line will disappear. Okay, alright, so make sure your save Control S or save all, Control Shift S. Okay, Control Shift S. Okay, Control Shift S to save all. Yes.